In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications on Slack. If you've ever tried to focus on a task and found yourself constantly distracted by Slack pings, this walkthrough is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly pause your notifications, choose how long they stay paused, and get a bit more control over your workday. Let's start from inside Slack on your desktop or browser. Look towards the top right corner of the Slack window. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will drop down with several options related to your account and status. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Pause Notifications. It's usually grouped near your status controls and other profile-related settings. Click on Pause Notifications. This is where Slack lets you temporarily stop alerts so you can concentrate without leaving your workspace or signing out. Once you click it, you'll see a list of time options. These are presets that tell Slack how long to keep your notifications paused. Depending on your version of Slack, you'll typically see choices like pausing for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, or until a specific time later in the day. You might also see an option to pause notifications until tomorrow. Take a moment to think about how long you actually need quiet time. For a short focused task, 30 minutes might be enough. If you're heading into a longer meeting or doing deep work, you might want to choose a longer duration. Click on the time that best matches how long you don't want to be disturbed. After you choose a time, Slack will immediately turn on Do Not Disturb mode for that period. You'll usually see a small indicator on your profile showing that notifications are paused. During this time, messages will still arrive in your channels and direct messages, but you won't get the pop-up alerts or sounds. When the time you selected ends, notifications will automatically resume, so you don't have to remember to turn them back on. And that's all there is to it. You've clicked your